dumpster rental service in Sarasota, Florida. Got waste? We've got the solution. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction site, Big Dawg Dumpsters is here to make waste removal easy and efficient in Sarasota, Florida. No project is too big or small. Choose from our 15-yard, 20-yard, or 30-yard dumpsters to fit your needs. Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or business owner, we have the perfect size to keep your site clean and clutter-free. Need a dumpster fast? We offer same-day and next-day delivery to keep your project on schedule. Our driveway-friendly dumpsters ensure a safe and convenient drop-off without damage to your property. What can you toss? Our dumpsters handle household junk, furniture, yard debris, construction waste, and more. Have questions about what's allowed? Just give us a call. Renting a dumpster has never been easier. Our team will help you choose the right size and schedule a delivery. No hidden fees, just transparent pricing and reliable service. Big Dawg Dumpsters, Sarasota's trusted dumpster rental service. Call 743-244-3294 today and let's get your project cleaned up the right way.